வாழ்க வளமுடன். Today I am going to tell you a superb and excellent green Tara mantra which gives you a lot of benefits. Om Tare Tuttare Ture Soga 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 Om Tare Tuttare Ture Soga. This is the powerful mantra. This mantra is chanted by many people in various versions, but the mantra is the same. The meaning of this mantra is Om calls her divine presence. Tare, Tara is the name, calls her name. Tuttare requests her strength. Ture requests her swiftness. And Soga requests her assistance and blessings. Somebody is telling it will remove negative energy, and somebody is telling it gives you peace and calm. But I will tell you there are 10 excellent benefits when you chant this mantra regularly 11 times, 21 times, 51 times, 108 times, or 1008 times. Whenever you want, you chant this mantra. That green Tara will give you a lot of enlightenment, power, peace, calm, and many more benefits. I will tell you the benefits. First benefit, protection. It gives protection to us. Green Tara is the mother of enlightenment. She is well known for her protective nature. Chanting her many times provides protection from various forms of harm, including evil energies and negative influences. She will remove all the negative energy from us. Second benefit, peace and calm. This mantra helps to quiet the mind and bring about inner peace. Regular chanting can lead to greater contentment and calmness in one's life. Third benefit, it removes obstacles. This mantra is said to help overcome obstacles in material and spiritual life. It can facilitate progress in both areas, removing hindrances and clearing the way. Fourth benefit, this mantra helps to overcome fear and anxiety. This mantra is believed to help with severe depression and anxiety, promoting inner strength and resilience. Fifth benefit of this mantra is purification and healing. This mantra can purify the mind, body, and speech, leading to healing on multiple levels. It helps release blockages and restore balance. Sixth benefit of this mantra is wish fulfillment. Whatever you want, this mother will give you. This mantra is also considered a wish fulfillment mantra, and regular chanting of this mantra can help manifest desired outcomes in one's life. Whatever you want, you will receive. Seventh benefit of this mantra is increased compassion and wisdom. Chanting Green Tara mantra is said to cultivate compassion and wisdom, leading to greater understanding and empathy. Eighth benefit of this mantra is enhanced relationships. Nowadays, a lot of conflicts arises between the relationships. This mantra is believed to help resolve relationship conflicts and strengthen bonds with your loved ones. So don't forget to chant this mantra regularly. Ninth benefit is spiritual growth. This mantra supports you to reach spirituality and enlightenment, helping practitioner to connect with their inner potential and wisdom. 10th benefit is This mantra helps you protection from danger. On the whole, we can say that this mantra is a very powerful one, and Green Tara mantra is a powerful tool for personal transformation and spiritual progress, offering protection, peace, and the removal of obstacles, ultimately guiding practitioner towards a more fulfilling and enlightenment life. Please chant this mantra and enjoy the life with peace and calm. Thank you. Let us chant 11 times. Om Tare Tuttare Ture Soga. 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 You also chant and get all the benefits of this mantra from Green Tara Mother. Thank you so much.